As for you, Mean Green, what are you doing? I think she's freaking leaking something. So freaking much oil.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you did not see from my last upload, guys, Mean Green, the A50 is bad, boys. And honestly, I'm so happy and I'm so excited about it. Now, boys, if you didn't see from my last video, I also said that we were gonna do a giveaway on some Boss audio system speakers and some weighting gear. Now, we're gonna do that giveaway whenever we hit 30,000 subs. We're really close. I think we're at like 29,700. But boys, if you remember, this isn't the first time Boss Audio Systems has ever reached out to me to get a giveaway going for you guys. But in exchange this time, what they wanted for me to do a review on their speakers, which is totally cool because I've had one of these speakers back with my old 570. I actually had a speaker on the back rack of my old 570 that just sat right here. And it was a great speaker, you know, it was waterproof, it was very durable, it never messed up, and until today it still works fine. So in this video, boys, we're actually gonna unbox this. We are gonna take it out, show you how to install it, how to hook it up, and see how this thing works. All right, so I don't have a knife. I have a little screwdriver, but it will do the trick, boys. Honestly, I don't personally myself like using speakers on my four-wheelers for the reason that I YouTube and I vlog for you guys and I record, so I can't really play music while I'm recording for copywriting purposes and stuff like that. So you open it up, boys, and here it is. This is the ATV65B RGB, which pretty much makes it a 6.5-inch speaker with a 1-inch tweeter in the middle, and it's RGB because it can change to any color that you would want to change it to. Ready? Durability test. Beautiful. Ooh, not the chart. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And here it is, boys. Alright, Boss audio speaker, boys. So with these speakers, boys, you actually have the option to run it directly to your battery, or, oh, just ripped that, but to your battery, or to just plug it into like the cigarette lighter that your four-wheeler has. So, it's kind of heavy. Pull it out. For this video, we're gonna put it on the back rack. I don't think I can fit it in the front rack for the snorkels being there. So let's see what else comes in the box. All right, we have all the wiring, the straps, and some instructions. Who needs instructions, right? Just need the speaker. Pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, boys, I've actually had one of these speakers, and they're actually really, really good and really, really durable. And they're waterproof, which makes it 10 times better. Now, boys, this is a speaker. Honestly, it has like a kind of like rough coating that just like makes it like, I don't know, boys, it just makes it look durable, you know? And it's completely weather sealed proof, so you could, I mean, if you want to go snorkel deep, you can, and the speaker will be completely fine. Now, like I said, boys, these speakers, they actually do have an aux cable, and they are Bluetooth, so it's actually very simple to connect and to play whatever you want to play whenever you're out on the trails, which is, you know, super duper dope. Because when I wasn't filming before and I was playing music, it was actually like super duper nice to, you know, play whatever you wanted to play whenever you're riding. So we're actually gonna, I think I'm gonna pull off this side panel, undo this, and run the cable along the inside of the frame right here, tucked behind these panels. I'm gonna try to bring it up through here, through the handlebars, and just wrap it around and plug it into the cigarette lighter. So I don't know, let's see how this works. All we're gonna take off for this part is just a side panel, which uncovers literally the whole entire side of the four-wheeler. Like I said, you're gonna wanna undo the cable, try to run it, find a way to run it down the side. Gonna bring it, I'm not too sure, probably just sit it right here just for now. Bring it up through the side and you connect it. Super duper simple, boys. I think you just click the key and it should turn on the speaker. Oh, boys, we got lights. Oh, that's actually pretty freaking sweet. See? All right, so we're gonna connect it to my phone. We're gonna use the straps that they come with to strap it down. So probably these right here, or see my best option. But let me put this side panel back on and see how good this thing sounds. All right, boys, so I already put the A50 back together, but you might actually want to look at your instructions because they actually come with zip ties already, which is super freaking clutch. They come with a battery adapter if you want to run it directly to the battery, which is, you know, cool. Comes with 2 straps and the important part, a controller, which it says speed, mode, brightness, It works. Watch. Color. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Ready? Color. Ah, green, blue, yellow, turquoise, purple, white, orange, lighter orange, yellow, green. Okay, so it has a ton of colors, boys. To connect it, it's actually super duper simple. You just go to Bluetooth and it pops up right away. Boss ATV 65B RGB. Now you just click it. And I mean, immediately it connected. The only thing that we need to do, we have to strap it down because, you know, we like to full send and go extra hard. Ooh, it's a party in here. How did that happen? What did I click? Hold on. What just happened? What's going on? Huh. It's a mode. Cool. Oh, dang. That's pretty freaking sweet. Boss Audio coming in clutch. All right, boys, so like in all seriousness, apart from me unboxing and talking about it, I mean, you literally just take it out the box, plug it in, and it hooks up within a minute, and you are ready to ride and ready to roll and to listen to your favorite songs. Now, boys, I actually just already sound tested it. Yes, I used to have the same speaker, but I forgot how loud this thing was. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a little sample. Now, sadly, because we're YouTubing and we don't want to get flagged for copyright purposes and anything like that, we're gonna have to play just like a regular intro music, boys. And so this is about halfway. Put the volume up a little bit towards the drop.
Darling.
Yo, this thing is nuts. Even at like full volume, boys, it's not distorted or anything. In the bass, it just sounds good. Boss Audio, man. Huge shout out to those boys. Check out them on Instagram, Boss Audio Systems. Shout out to them. Leave it down in the comments. If you guys want to see a speaker giveaway, leave it down in the comments. Get us to 30,000 subs, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment again, like the video again. Dude, this speaker bumps. Now we gotta test it with the four-wheeler on now. Let me open this garage door, dude. Actually, I'm just like super duper surprised. I'm so surprised. I really did not think it was gonna surprise me the way they did. Now, I need 2 hands for this. All right, so the four-wheeler's on. Let's put it full max volume again, see what it sounds like. Boys, you still hear it just fine. That's sick, boys. Alright, boys, alright. I actually have a new mic, guys, so we're actually gonna put that to the test. So I'm gonna put the GoPro helmet on, take it for a rip, see how it sounds while, you know, we're riding. We still can't wide open throttle it, but we're gonna see how it sounds, test it, and I think you should have no problem, boys. This is a 6.5-inch speaker. They even make an 8-inch, so this thing bumps. I can't even imagine how loud the 8 is, so I'm gonna pick you guys in a little bit, and Boss Audio Systems, you guys gotta get on it. You gotta get on it. Let's do it. Alright, buckos. We're on the new GoPro camera mic setup. Tell me what you think about it down in the comments. Tell me, how does it sound? Does it sound okay? Does it sound kind of bad? Let me know. Now, boys, I wanted to ride a little bit because I wanted to show you like the speaker capabilities even when you're riding, which I hope the camera picks it up. Alright. Like I said, we can't play non-copyrighted music, but alright, it's warming up, it's getting louder. Oh, you hear that just fine. Heck yeah. Like I said, I haven't had one of these speakers in like 6 months, so I forgot what it sounded like, and you won't get disappointed, boys. This thing has plenty of loud, plenty of thump. And it sounds great, I think, personally. Wait, did I bring? Yeah, I brought the controller for the speaker. I don't know if the camera's making it justice or giving it justice or not, but I hear it just fine. Dude, the speaker looks so good back there. Look. Color. I feel like I would like green because I mean, we call the four-wheeler mean green, but red really looks nice on that thing. I mean, look at all the colors. It's tons of colors. Red, I feel like it just looks so nice because, like, you know, the stickers I have down here have a little bit of red. Hint of red right here. Crap! I've only been riding for like 2 minutes. Why are you so dirty? But boys, the speaker is doing its job. Mino Cummins. If you guys didn't see when I went to Texas to pick this thing up,
that's already putting that bad boy to work. If you ask me, Cummins has the best looking trucks out right now. I think so. I really do think so. I think they have the best looking trucks out right now. Yeah. Alright. I actually gotta go get another battery for my GoPro. I think it's dead or it's dying. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Alright. Main green. Wait, I'll be right back. Alright, boys, that took a while, but we're back in action. I think she's freaking leaking something. Crap, she is leaking. Hold on. Crap. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing. Hold up. Man, it's old. That's a crap ton too. I was only gone for like 5 minutes. Crap. I gotta wash that off. Alright, get off. Ah, dude, that's so freaking much oil. Oh man, boys, that makes me, oh guys, you guys have no idea. I waited 2 months for this thing to come out for a supposedly good rebuild, and it's leaking oil. I'm telling you, man, this thing is a joke. I mean, if you want to keep a positive outlook on this thing, at least the guy that did my rebuild, he offered me he offered me 90-day warranty on the machine. And he said, you know, and if anything pops up, anything comes up, you know, just let me know and I'll get it straightened away for you. But like, that's not even the thing. The thing is, it was gone for 2 months and it still isn't right. And okay, let's just say he does fix it, which is fine. But I mean, how much longer is it going to be gone now? Another month? Yes. Oh, I'll tell you, dude. Oh, Mean Green is a freaking joke, bro. Honestly, boys, I don't even feel like keeping it anymore. Like, where are you even leaking from? I'd have to take apart all these plastics and the floorboards to even see where the leak is coming from. Ah, boys, it's so upsetting. I think that's the end of the video now. Alright. I can't even put it in the garage anymore. I can't even get on the concrete. Oh, boys. It's so upsetting to me. Like, I've already said it, but I can't stop thinking about the fact that I waited 2 months for this thing to be done and it's still not done right. Oh, guys. Well, it is what it is. Alright, boys. Now, this video has taken the biggest, like, turnaround, the biggest upsetting thing. And the speaker, you're doing a good job. Keep doing you. As for you, Mean Green, what are you doing? Like, is it still leaking or was it like a momentarily thing? Oh, nope. Honestly, guys, it's so upsetting, and I'm trying to keep my cool on camera or whatever, but for the first time, I'm strongly considering selling Mean Green. Like, if it's not one thing, it's another, and it's just, I feel like there's always going to be hiccups with this thing, because it's not like, for what I use it, it's not like a mud ready machine. You know, you had to do certain things, and even with those certain things, it's still not 100% perfect. You know, I'm gonna call my rebuild guy. I mean, he's super cool. I'm sure he'll take care of it, but hopefully, you know, it's still early today. I'm actually gonna try and take it out to him today, get him to fix that and to get it worked out. And I think that, I don't know, guys, I don't know what to think about it. Leave it down in the comments, boys. What should we do? Should we fix Mean Green, work out the kinks and stuff like that, and keep rocking with it, or should we sell it? Leave it down in the comments, boys. Should we get a Honda? You know, it probably won't go over 2 miles an hour, but you know, it's not gonna break. Or should we go with a Can-Am, a XMR? Should we go with a Kawasaki Brute Force? Leave it down in the comments, guys. It's like a love-hate relationship with you. Like, I love you, but what are you doing, okay? Listen, bro, I'm having a really difficult time right now. If you could just not get in my business. Guys, this has been such a costly repair. Guys, if you can do me a big solid favor, go like this video, please. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like I have said, guys, whenever we hit 30,000 subscribers, we're going to give away that speaker right there. Huge shout out to, once again, to Boss Audio Systems. Follow them on Instagram, guys. Check them out. Like I said before, I used to have this speaker about 6 months ago, and I haven't had it in such a long time that I forgot how good it sounded, and it sounds amazing. So we're going to give that speaker away to one of you guys that are subscribed. All you have to do is subscribe to me and follow me on Instagram at Foxy6.7, because once we hit 30,000 subs, guys, we're going to go live on there and tell you everything that you need to do to win that speaker. If I had not said it again, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. This is a very happy outro, but I am sad, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, boys.